Well. Would you look at that? Good morning, babes. How you doing today, babes? This afternoon, you joined me getting ready for my boyfriend. Wait, is he 21? Yeah, he's 21. He's not 22, is he? I'm getting ready for his birthday and I thought I would just film the process. You know me, I love a good getting ready video and I hope you guys enjoy them too. Primarily because it is all my channel consists of. I'm tired of doing it, but I don't want to talk about it. Episode 25. Join me in my bathroom today. I've actually just taken a face mask off. I'm also in the process of filming a week in my life video, so I know it's going to be so confusing getting the right clips off of this camera onto my laptop. Feeling squeaky clean as a bean, and I really wanted to quickly talk to you about estrid. I'm gonna hold this razor here because I did use it. Yeah, she's used. I'm not that manky. I will go as far as to say estrid is the only razor brand I will use. They're my favorite razor brand because they're vegan, cruelty-free. I love the whole brand ethos of shaving because you want to shave. Because girls, it's 2020. What is wrong with me today? It's 2021. If you want to have hair on your body hair does not offend you. Your body hair should not offend you. It should not offend anyone around you. If it does, it's a them problem. I was about to like flip, but I don't think that's very appropriate. But for the times and the people who do want to shave, Estrid are here to offer incredible quality razors at a really competitive price. You can get the Estrid starter kit for £7.95, which includes a razor, a wall hanger. These are so good. It stops the blades getting all like claggy. These blades as well are so sharp, and there's like a soapy band around them which will stop any razor burn no matter how short your hair is, and 2 blade cartridges. If you're a woman on the go, you can also get a travel case which retails at £5.95, and once you've got the razor, the travel case, everything, you're all set, you can actually get a blade subscription, so it literally delivers straight to your door. Estrid are also donating £1 from every sale to the Women for Women Society. I'll have all the information about it, everything below. But it's an amazing cause, and all you have to do is use your code flossie at checkout and you've donated £1. Done your good deed for the day. Thank you so much to Estrid for partnering with me on this part of the video. I genuinely love your brand so much. I think you're so cool and I'm so grateful that you want to work with me. I need to put a top on because I've got a delivery man coming to my door. And I don't think a dressing gown was the assignment. And you see my nipples? No. Wow, the Alchemist looks kind of different here. Hello everybody and welcome to Flossie's cocktail bar. Woo. I'm in a rush. I'm also pale and need to start taking my makeup off at night. I'm going to show you how to make my version of an Aperol Spritz, aka Aperol Spritz for one. Obviously one of the key components to an Aperol Spritz is Prosecco. But I don't know about you, if I'm pre-drinking on my ones, which happens a lot. Hi, my name is flossie.clegg, I live alone, and I'm absolutely, I think actually now a little bit too comfortable with doing everything myself. Friends will invite me out, they'll be like, okay, cool, like come over, who are you with? I'm like, me? Just me. Also did not check I'd wiped all the toothpaste off from around my mouth. Anyway, as I was saying, I'll put a bit of Prosecco in the glass, and I need 2 drinks maximum at pre-drinks. 2 White Claws on the floor. So I've got this huge bottle of Prosecco just sat in my fridge going flat, and that's not too economically viable. I supply the criminal version of an Aperol Spritz. First step, Aperol. 2 shots of Aperol. Is that a lot? I can't tell. I feel like because shit, yeah it is. Why do I think these things are gonna work? A bonus of not having nails. Oh, do you see how quick that was? We've got our Aperol here. Next step, lemonade. That's it. That's the tweet. Shameful, but it does the job and it tastes fucking delicious. Not even gonna sugarcoat it. This slaps so hard. It's literally just like a vodka mix. I don't care. I literally don't care. Watch me not care. You see that? Not a single care. Oh, fuck me. What? I look hench. Oh my god. Ah, that really hurt. Makeup time! Woo! Yeah! I'm gonna go for supernatural, just everyday. Supernatural, that sounds like ghosts and stuff. Talking of ghosts and stuff, who wants a sleep paralysis update? No one. Am I gonna give it to you? Yeah, you bet I am. So sleep paralysis, getting so much better. So much better. In fact, I can't actually remember the last time I had one. I'm having nights where I go to sleep before like 4, so that's quite good. Last night I was up till 6 AM. Like my mum woke up before I'd gone to sleep, which was slightly terrifying, and I just don't know why. Yesterday I wore myself out. I went to the gym, went out shopping, I did 10,000 steps, like 10,000 steps. That's the recommended. If I wake up past 12, I will not have a coffee for the day. Why is this happening? I should probably put a headband on. Hold that thought. Sounded like the start of eat your vegetables. Zoom you in a bit so you can actually see what I'm doing for once. How's everyone been doing? Let's have a proper catch up. I felt really away from YouTube for ages because whilst I've been uploading a lot, been like I'm just not looking, I'm literally just not looking at what I'm doing. Whilst I've been uploading a lot, it's been a lot of sort of pre-filmed or like had to go through brands for approvals, which has been really exciting because I've been working with some really excellent brands recently, but I have kind of missed just the film a video and post it 2 days later. That's what I love so much about YouTube, is like the authenticity and the organicness of it. God, I'm really turning into one of those people where like I sit and chat about being a YouTuber. Yeah, I am. Oh, I'll finish soon. But yeah, I'm back basically, back to just normal filming stuff, and I'm really going to get back to my roots of hauls and fun videos and fun vlogs and fun days out with my friends, and I'm really excited, and thank you for being patient with me because I know everything's just been a bit weird. Everything's just been a bit weird. I don't know what it is. I've been speaking to a lot of people about it, but everyone's just been feeling a little bit weird recently. It's almost just like this huge sort of adrenaline crash from everything having opened, everyone being so excited, and now it's like, oh, okay, what now? And we're kind of still in restrictions, but then also not in restrictions. I'm not complaining because I'm defo like so grateful that everything's opened up, and that side of life feels so good right now. God. No, this was not what I wanted. Or forget, let's hope me boyfriend wants a rosy look today. That was so bad. I pride myself on my accents. Let's go again. Or forget late. Let's hope me boyfriend likes a rosy look today. It's the today. I'm letting myself down on the today. It really upsets me to look in this viewfinder and see 3 out of 5 nails left. Especially as, this is gonna sound so weird, but I feel like I've got a bit of a nail reputation to upkeep now. So many of you guys, I'm so happy to see, are Is that a bruise? What is that? My eyebrow pencil just snapped off, but anyway, we won't talk about it. I'm so glad to see so many of you are nail enthusiasts, and honestly, nothing makes my day more than when you send me a picture and like you've got the same set as me. I actually can't explain to you. That is the biggest compliment in the world. Started a little nails highlight over on my Instagram stories. I'm still like so new into it, but I really love this like nails community that we've built. You guys send me pictures of your nails. I obviously post mine on my story every time I get a new set. You send me pictures of nail inspo. We all share them together. I really enjoy it. Never ever a nails girl growing up. In fact, I would actively avoid getting nails just because I found them so inconvenient. The sky looks so pretty. Let me show you. Wow. I'm in a rush and I've got some birthday boy cookies to bake. And those cookies then gonna bake themselves, baby girl. One that you can't afford. I just want you to love for free. My neighbours are so lucky. Shit the bed, dog. What's the time? My mum and sister the other day, which was just so nice. I don't get to see my mum half as much as I want to, just because I never really know where I'm gonna be or like what I'm gonna be doing. I've been booking into a lot of shoots recently actually, which shoots, fun fact, I'm getting better now. Photo shoots, oh my god, I used to hate them. My first few sort of work photo shoots, I will not hate them. It's not that I hate them, I'm there and I don't know what I'm doing. When I tell you someone points a camera at me, I'm like stand there like a lemon, and I need them to direct me and to tell me how to pose down to the positioning of my fingers. Even other people taking my Instagram pictures, if you ever look through my Instagram, you'll realize that everything is either self-shot or just a selfie or a mirror selfie. I'm really not that comfortable in front of a camera. Whoa, an earthquake! Obviously I'm comfortable in front of a camera. I'm so comfortable like talking to a camera. What a weird little contrast. Thought of someone taking pictures of me gives me crippling anxiety because I don't know what I'm doing, but my god, put a Canon G7X in front of my face and I will talk for the whole of the United Kingdom. Anyway, as I was saying, I got to see my mum and sister, which was just lovely. What else am I doing? I've got a really crazy exciting shoot next week, actually exactly 1 week today, which isn't just like a photo shoot, it's something that's coming out and you will know about it by the end of October. So maybe put a few pennies aside, because I could get in trouble talking about this, so I don't want to talk about it anymore. Put a little bit more of a berry gloss on today. I'm pretty pale. Oh no. I really can't decide if I can tolerate it or I hate it. The wind. This is my finished makeup. I'll probably change the lip up before I leave. But there are ingredients on the table for some birthday boy cookies. I'm so generous, providing 2 desserts, 2 snacks. Which one's tastier? The cookies. Definitely the cookies. I am pale. The next step of baby boys, next step of a boyfriend's birthday bonanza extravaganza treat, I'm the best girlfriend in the entire world, is a birthday bake. You have to bake something for someone's birthday. I did a couple orders, one on Waitrose, one on Gorillas, which by the way, if you guys don't use Gorillas, it slaps. This isn't sponsored by them obviously, but I'm going to use a code here where you can get £10 off your groceries. I never leave my house to get shopping anymore. I shouldn't say I never leave my house, but I've got so much better at leaving my house. It'd be so random. I take myself out all the time now. I took myself out for lunch the other day. Lunch. I sat and had lunch by myself because I am independent and all my friends have real life things to do and I don't do. I don't know. I don't really know where I'm going with this. Also got him a bottle of Moet, only the finest for my husband. And whilst I have been living in this apartment for, gosh, a few months now, I really don't have that many utensils, like kitchen. I used to be such a good cook and I used to be such a good baker. But since I moved to London and I can just get everything delivered to me, it's so bad. It just made me so lazy and really threw me off. Why is this becoming a sob story about how I don't cook anymore? So I am using a mango wood salad bowl to make cookies in. Does the job. So for the best cookies ever recipe, you need 200 grams of unsalted butter. I've got 500 grams of milk chocolate here. I've got like buttons and then also just normal. I used to make these with white chocolate and milk chocolate when I lived at home, but I feel like white chocolate can be a little bit risky sometimes, you know, not everyone likes it. 325 grams of self-raising flour and 1 egg. Starting with my 200 grams of butter. Didn't go on the counter. Grams of butter. Oh, 181, so close. And baking was white. 199. But he's my boyfriend and I love him. 202, are you joking? I'm just gonna preheat my oven to 200. I used to have an Arga when I lived at home. Any bakers out there, you know Arga, best bakes, the best. Next up, with our 300 grams of caster sugar. It's actually terrifying how much sugar is in these. Let me know actually, are you a sweet or savory person or a bit of both? I'm definitely a bit of both, but I do think I have an abnormally large sweet tooth. Okay, I've got to get this one perfect. 301. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know if this butter's soft enough. BRB. Alexa, pause. Thank you. Get into the habit of saying thank you to your Alexa. She is creaming and beaming. Ew! So next thing you need to do is crack your egg. That's so messy. And we stir that into the mixture. I actually went to see the Vamps the other night because one of my friends is really good friends with one of them, and I had the best time ever. They were bloody excellent. Plot twist, Brad is my boyfriend. But for real though, like, hit me up. Self-raising flour in here, plain and plain. Obviously we're adding 325 grams of this flour in, but I like to add it in 100 grams at a time just to make sure it's all really mixed through. Should be sifting this through, but I don't have a sieve. Need to work on this, especially as I do want to become more of a baker. Nothing used to fill me with more joy than when people would come over to my house and I'd have freshly baked goods to offer them. I used to bake for my mum and dad all the time. When they come home from work, it would just be like an array of treats. Catch you when the flour's mixed. Moving to my phone for just a second whilst my camera's on charge. This is what your cookie mix should look like. It's kind of still a tiny weeny little bit sticky. You can still kind of like solidify it, roll it into a ball. Solidify it the way these cookies gonna be solidifying my relationship tonight. Can I cook them on foil? Ah! I'm gonna have to try and lift these into the oven because I kind of didn't think through the fact they the oven tray out to put the baking paper on. Next thing I'm gonna need you to do, guys, is get 2 spoons. This just saves your hands getting messy. Put the cookies onto your baking paper. I've then broken up the chocolate bar into chunks. Cut them quite chunky chunks. Watch these into my cookies. And there we go. Aren't they just the most wonderful little things you've ever seen in your life? Oven transfer, moment of truth. How did I think I was going to be able to do this? I'm going to leave them in for about 10 to 15 minutes. Come back, check, and then put the rest in. But in the meantime, I need to go get ready because I look like this and I don't even know the time because I took my watch off because it got, you know, when you piece of jewelry you're wearing gets like soap under and it's so itchy. Still on my phone, sorry, but we're gonna do a quick little outfit transition change because I don't think this is the assignment, and also a transition change back onto regular, normal, loved, appreciated, familiar Canon G7X quality. Woo! My shorts on the floor. Here is my outfit of the night. I've got this Zara shirt on, Zara skirt, Gucci tights, and these little socks. I can't decide whether it looks better with the socks or without, but I'm in such a rush I don't really have time to change. Black headband, headbands till I die, honestly. I also managed to find 2 nails. So this hand is complete, this hand, she's struggling. She's sitting on the back burner. She's letting the left have her glory today. All the cookies are tucked up in their box. Melting chocolate absolutely everywhere. When I tell you I'm late, I'm running 40 minutes late, so I need to book my Uber right now, get to the restaurant. I'll vlog when I'm there and we'll see his reaction. See if he falls even deeper in love with me. I don't think it's possible. I'm really sorry.
She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi.
Hi guys, so a little bit of time has passed and I'm now out for Ben's birthday. Here's everyone. Yay. Before I could even get a drink, I had a tequila shot forced down my throat, and now I've got this. Really made me giggle because she goes, is that Blue Lagoon? I don't think it is a Blue Lagoon, or maybe it is, it's a fancy version. But it came with a shot, I'm assuming. Limoncello. Tastes like squash. Happy birthday, man! Ben's birthday. He turns the grand age of 16.
21? 21 today.
Miami.
Sorry. Did you order my colleague for a cocktail?
1 second, they're gonna kiss.
What? I told me to margarita?
Yeah. Hey Floss, so I know it's been a rocky road for us, but like, I just want to let you know that if it's meant to be, then it will just happen in due course, and like,
He's told us that he loves you.
I get that, like, you just don't feel the same right now, but like, I don't know, maybe one day we'll just like feel the same. I don't know, man. I think I'm just a bit drunk, like, talking about my feelings. That's good, right?
You look like a poor orphan.
Nah.
Happy birthday, man!
Blow a kiss.
We love you.
It's not better.